Reye Syndrome. Introduction. Reye syndrome always follows a viral infection. Select true or false. Correct. Reye syndrome always follows another illness. Reye syndrome can affect the blood, liver, and brain of a person who recently had a viral infection. Which of the following is a symptom of Reye syndrome? Choose one of the following options. 1. Seizures. 2. Tiredness. 3. Vomiting. 4. All of the above. Correct. Larry's son is 7 years old. Should Larry give aspirin to his son to help relieve a fever caused by chickenpox? Select yes or no. Correct. Larry should not give aspirin to his son if he has chickenpox. Doing so may cause Reye syndrome. Reye syndrome can lead to death in a matter of days if not treated appropriately. Select true or false. Correct. Sometimes aspirin goes by other names. Select true or false. Correct. Acetylsalicylic acid, acetylsalicylate, salicylic acid, and salicylate are other names for aspirin. Can children older than 10 years of age take aspirin? Select yes or no. Correct. Aspirin should not be given to anyone younger than age 20 unless it is prescribed by a healthcare provider. Thank you for using Explain.